Hey guys, Lyzzi here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pine cone bird feeder. First of all, you would need peanut butter, yarn, a pine cone, a knife, and some bird food. Okay guys, step one is you're going to take the yarn and you are going to wrap it around the fat part of the pine cone, and you're going to tie it real tight. Guys, step two is you're going to take your knife and your peanut butter, and you're going to take the peanut butter and spread it on the pine cone as much as you can. Okay guys, step three, you're going to take the pine cone with peanut butter on it and you're going to roll it in the bird food. Now that you have your pine cone done, you're going to hang it on a tree outside. Okay guys, now that you know how to make a pine cone bird feeder, you can try it at home and comment on our blog. Bye!